So if I were to go around onto the project panel, then what you see is all of the video footages that has been used in the project. And what you can also do is you can use the project panel filter options to filter out the files that you see right here and see only the files that you need as well. So you can go around and sort this, as you can see, by name. You can click on this to sort it out by name. And the other thing that you can do is you can click the filter button right here and just see the videos over here. So only the videos will be filtered when you select this, as you can see. And if I were to go around onto audio only, then you only see the audio. In my case, you don't see anything because we don't have any audio right here. But if I were to go around and select images only, then you only see the images. So if you want to filter it out, you can see that that is what you can do. So you get the image, so it's easier to just drag in the image and keep it right here. So that is how you can filter these things out right here. If you were to go around over here, you also have an option to add this onto the timeline, as you can see right here, or delete it from over here as well. You can also select this and click on add over here as well. And that is how you can work around with the project panel filter options inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.